In this video, we're going to show you how to fix if your Counter-Strike 2 is crashing every time you launch it. All right, so there are a few things you need to understand, right? So if you go to Counter-Strike in Steam, as you can see, it's free. Scroll down until you see system requirements, right? So make sure that you meet the minimum system requirements. Because this game is very deceptively high requirement, even though it's not supposedly. But yeah, like check if you meet these requirements, and then if they are within your system's capacity, go to your library and find Counter-Strike. So the Counter-Strike here, right, in your library, it's on the left-hand side. Right click on Counter-Strike, and then click on Properties. And then in Properties, go to Install Files, and then click on Verify this game's files are installed correctly, which is verify integrity of game files. So click on that and wait for it. It's gonna take a bit sometimes. So let's wait for it to finish, because it's gonna check. Steam is gonna check whether or not your files are corrupted or not, or if it's functioning or not. So again, this is gonna take a bit of time, so you gotta be patient. So let's wait for it to finish. Oh, by the way, while this is finishing, also make sure that your Windows is up to date, right? So just go to Windows Update and then just go check for updates if there's no available updates that you can install or download. So do this, right, while this is updating. As you can see, we're 50% in. So these are the things that you need to understand, that you need to do to kind of figure out why your game is crashing during launch. So yeah. Anyway, this is it. This is the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.